Okay, so now here you can see that it's showing you there is an error between integer and string. And you remember in Python we are not able to declare the variable beforehand, so it will do it back in cells. But here we know that the input is gonna be a string, but it should be integer. So let's convert it to integer like this. Let's see how it works now. Here at the end, always in your program, you should have two enters. Print the result is print result. Okay, so now we have our program. Let's see how it works. Here we have, as you can see, we print the options, then we read the option value, and then we ask for the two numbers, and then we check the options with values we have, and then we do the operation depending on it. So let's try. So it's asking me, let's select 3, and now I want 12 multiplied by 2, it should be 24. So it is working, as you can see here. And we can add one more here, like for example, you selected option, and then we print and we say both, and here we can say and the result is, so let's select now 430 divided by 5, 6. So here you've selected option 4 and the result is 6. So yeah, this all for Python, and you can see there is a big difference in the way we write the program. We don't declare the type of variable, so we need this integer here, like convert in the console line for the convert to int in C#. And here then we have the operation. We can check if the option is 1 with the same. Remember that Java was different. Okay, so that's all for this one. Let's continue with the next class.